my name is Kasia and I'm the owner of P13 brand. We are from Poland, from Europe, and we have very nice scrapbooking clients. And I would like to invite you to see all of them.
Yes. All right, I'm going to show you guys. All right, so I am switching over to doing a voiceover for this booth. I may do others, just depends on when I start editing. This was my first time at Creativation, and I felt like I was going slow enough, but I obviously wasn't. So I definitely want to give this company its time, and the ladies were so sweet. I met them, and if you are watching, ladies, good luck in Frankfurt. They're on their way now to Frankfurt. So they have lots of traveling and all of that sort of thing. So definitely check their website out, check their Facebook. I will have it all linked down below. They were so sweet. I just love their papers and all of their collections. And Abby even was trying to take some of my papers, and she loves the candy boxes. So it's definitely something you guys have to check out. I will for sure try and let you guys know if it is available anywhere in the US. If not, I will try and hunt somebody down to order it for us. But yes, definitely check them out. All right, I'm going to go back to the beginning of the booth and show you guys and tell you guys about each collection. All right, so the first collection is called the Four Seasons Spring. And these papers are so gorgeous. They have so many different colors. And as you could see, like I said, I was going a little bit fast. This next one is Baby Joy. It's so cute. And you can definitely go to their website and see pictures and their Facebook page, see all of the inspiration and all of the design team work from all of the designers on their team. You could see a tag. This collection is called When We First Met. It is so gorgeous. A few of these collections are color combinations and different graphics and things that I've never seen before. That's why I think I'm so excited, because sometimes we kind of just see the same thing. And, if companies like this, don't get shared and people don't know about them, then we kind of just get stuck over and over with the same thing. So definitely this company needs to be shared. So share it, go like their Facebook page and everything. And they're not paying me or anything to say this. I truly, really, genuinely love their products. All right, so they have stickers, candy boxes, ephemera, 6x6, 12x12, you name it. They have it for the collection. And I love that they have the candy boxes, because that's something I don't think I've seen before. And they're really, really cute. All right, this next collection is called Until We Meet Again. It is so pretty, and I think I'm going to go up close a little bit to show you guys. The florals in these collections just have my heart. They are so gorgeous. And the colors, they're just so pretty. So again, stamps, they have journal inserts, a few different sizes and things. And then they have stickers, a 12x12, 6x6, ephemera. What else am I missing? I think that's it. So yeah, they have like word stickers, letter stickers. This next collection is called We Are Family. I absolutely love this collection. And again, cutouts, stickers, ephemera, journal inserts, you name it, they have it. Well, not every single thing, but you guys know what I mean. For your scrapbooking, journaling, that sort of thing. It's really, really nice. This next collection is definitely my favorite. This is called New Moon, and I don't think I've ever seen this color combination together. And if I have, then it wasn't as memorable as this collection. Or I could have forgotten about it. But anyways, this collection is so gorgeous. It has tags and 6x6, 12x12 papers, and their paper quality is amazing. It is very thick, nice paper. And I love that they have this little banner as well. They have the little cards and the stamps and the journal inserts, stickers, the word stickers, kind of like ephemera stickers. Amazing. This next collection is definitely very bright and fun. It's called Sunshine. It is yellows and greens and definitely screams like spring and summertime. It's very, very pretty. And Yeah, I just loved looking through this booth. I probably passed by this booth 100 different times and I kept saying, I want to go in there. I want to go in there. And I am very shy, so I didn't at first, but at the very last minute, as I was heading out and heading home, I said, you know what, I want to film in there. And I'm so glad that I did and I met them. This one is called Happy Birthday. They gave me a couple samples of this paper, and Abby is trying to take it from me, but I'm not going to let her because it's so cute. I cannot wait to use this on a project. Again, they have the stickers, journal inserts, stamps. The illustration on the birthday collection is so cute. All right, this one's called Awakening, and this is again gorgeous. I Like I said, I definitely wanted to give this company the time that they deserve and to for me to explain it, and that so you guys can hopefully get a good look at the papers and what is in them. If you feel like I'm going, slow still or too fast still, you can go check out their website, their Facebook page, their Instagram. I will have it all linked down below, and then you guys can take a better look at each collection. This one is really, really amazing. It's like masculine, but also with like butterflies, and I think that, yeah, there's some florals and feathers, and it's also gorgeous at the same time. Me personally, when I make a layout with, say, my son or like my son and daughter or something, I always put flowers on it anyways. But to have the masculine colors with the kind of the feminine as well, it's something that is pretty cool. And I don't think I've seen that really either. So this collection is really gorgeous too. I might have gotten a sheet of that paper as well. All right, this next one is called Truly Yours. And again, it's just amazing. You guys definitely have to check out the design team's projects. I just was in a hurry and I didn't film the front of the booth, which I am really mad at myself because I have friends on the design team, people that I know, and I should have done that, but I didn't, and I'm sorry. But all right, this last one is so cute. This one's called Girl Gang, and it's definitely one if you have a daughter, a niece, or granddaughter. It's so, so cute. The colors are very vibrant and fun. But yeah, that is a look at P13. Definitely go show them some love on all the social medias, and I hope you check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye.